Should I use hyphens or underscores in my file names? Imagine you're organizing hundreds of files and wondering how to keep everything neat and easy to find. The choice between hyphens and underscores can seem small but actually makes a big difference. When you name files, clarity is key. Hyphens are often more visually appealing and make file names easier to read, especially when they include dates or descriptive words. For example, quarterly report to 024 looks clean and clear. Underscores are also common, especially in coding or technical environments, because some systems interpret hyphens as minus signs or separators. Most operating systems support both, but consistency matters. If you pick hyphens, stick with them across all your files. This helps you avoid confusion and makes bulk renaming easier later on. Another thing to consider is how search engines handle file names. Hyphens are recognized as word separators by search engines, which can help your files show up more easily in searches. Underscores, on the other hand, are not as well recognized, so using hyphens can boost your file visibility if you are sharing files online or through cloud services. When working with programs like Microsoft Excel or Word, both hyphens and underscores are supported, but hyphens tend to look better in file names and are less likely to cause issues. It's also smart to avoid starting or ending file names with hyphens or underscores. Keep your file names short, descriptive, and free of spaces or special characters. For example, use budget to 024 instead of budget 2024 or budget to 024. This makes files easier to open and manage across different platforms. Remember, the goal is to create a system that everyone on your team can follow easily. In summary, both hyphens and underscores work well, but hyphens are generally better for readability and SEO purposes. Using hyphens consistently helps keep your files organized and accessible, especially when sharing or collaborating. So, if you want your file names to look tidy and be easy to find, go with hyphens. Just keep your naming style uniform and avoid unnecessary characters. This simple step can save you time and frustration in the long run.